up, legends? So today we definitely switching up the vibes, man. Of course, today we had the huge Yeezy QNTM Frozen Blue release for the lifestyle version. Now, last night we did have the basketball version release, which was a lot more limited. It was a crazy release. I did see a lot of people get W's though, but then I seen a lot of L's as well. So big shout out to anybody that got a W, and anybody that took the L, man, wishing you big W's on the way in the future, man. But I was lucky enough to win a local Adidas Store Raffle for the lifestyle version. And for those who know, that's the version that I was actually going for, so I'm really excited about it. It's pretty early in the morning right now, man, so I'm gonna go pick it up. The process was really smooth, man. They gave me a voucher. All I had to do was pretty much reserve the time frame that I wanted to come in to get it. So I'm getting ready to head over there now. Definitely gonna give you guys a look at it, do a little unboxing. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn your post notifications on, because I am going to do a full review on these. Also, man, my bro did win a BBall version as well. So let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do like a comparison video between the lifestyle and the basketball version. But let's go ahead, head over there and get right into it. So let me show y'all the vibes for today, man. Of course, OG QNTMs. You know, we gotta wear the OGs to pick up any other version. But yeah, man, if I was a superhero, they'd probably call me Leatherman, because all I want to do is wear leathers every day. It's just a vibe, man. And this hoodie here is from an LA-based brand called Lifted Anchors, and it's inspired by Kid Cudi, and it's just that Man on the Moon theme. And then we brought the Kids See Ghosts jacket out. Show you guys the back as well. Secure. So I pretty much did all my Christmas shopping already, but I do want to stop at the Alex and Annie store real quick to grab a few extra things. Still ended up doing some extra Christmas shopping. Alright, you guys, so the pair has been secured, man. Like I said, we did go to the Adidas store. Really easy process. So let's go ahead and take it out, take a quick look at it. And like I said, a full review is on the way, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, your regular QNTM box, man. And I got a size 11 in these. It's always good to go at least a half a size or full size up on any type of Yeezys, in my opinion, because they really fit snug, like all of them. So open these up, though, let's take a look. Like I said, man, I really wanted this lifestyle version. You know, a lot of people like the BBall version more, but me personally, I really like the lifestyle version. I love the 3M. This is just a beautiful sneaker. I do see a lot of things that really stand out to me right now, though. So like I said, man, full review on the way. Make sure you subscribe so you know when that comes out. But yeah, man, these are fire. What you guys think it is? Definitely a vibe, definitely a vibe. Alright, so I thank you guys very much for taking the time to watch the video and cop these beauties with me. Like I said, man, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and leave a comment as well. Tell me what you think about these. And if you want me to do like a lifestyle and BBall, comparison video. Make sure you let me know as well. Also, every single Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern time, make sure you tune into the Yeezy Talk podcast with my bro J.A., my bro Prince Mark Anthony, and my bro St. Kenzis. We've also been doing a special Sunday service episode for the month of December. So make sure you tune in every Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern time as well. I want to take this second to send big blessings, big positive vibes, and a happy holidays to all the legends that have been rocking with me so far. I can't thank you enough, man. Truly appreciate you. And I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Salute to you, legend.